Hello. So in today's video, we're going to discuss about Facebook Leads ad. There is a recent big update that Facebook did in their lead section. Previously, they were just only providing like high value, high intent, but recently they launched a rich creative section as well, which is really powerful and really helpful to get like highly relevant maximum leads. So without further ado, let's jump into my screen and see how we can launch this rich creative campaign in Facebook. So first of all, you need to go to your ads manager. Then after that, you're gonna click on create, and there are a bunch of options. So since we are just launching leads campaign, so we're going to select the objective of leads. Then we're going to click on continue. Then we're going to proceed with manual leads campaign. So we're going to leave campaign level and ad set level for the next video. We're going to only talk about rich creative, which is at the ad level. So we're going to make sure that our correct page is connected over here. Then after that, we're going to scroll down a little bit and we're going to see where we can find forms as well. So here we can see like create a form. We're gonna click on it. So as you can see, previously Facebook just providing more volume and higher intent. Now they are also providing rich creative, which means that you can hold your audience attention with creatives, social proof, and your company's bios as well. So this really increases in credibility of your brand. So for example, there are people who provided you reviews on your Trustpilot or on your Facebook page. Then what you're gonna do, you're gonna simply copy, download those reviews and simply gonna put them over here. So this increases the credibility, authenticity for your cold audience to engage with your brand and fill out the form and do business with you. Also, beside that, you can add your company's description, you can add your company's goal, you can add your company's roadmap as well that aligns with your customer journey. So over here, previously Facebook just providing us more volume, which means that you do not have to add like a lots of detail in your questionnaire. Rather, you can only put like person's name, first name, last name, and the email address. Then after that, they're gonna simply click on submit, and you're gonna have their details. And after that, there is high intent. So in high intent, you're gonna add different type of questions. So for example, you're gonna ask them their name, their email address, their phone number. This is just an example. You can add their expected return that they want in return of your service that you are getting, their age, their desired outcome, what goals they want to achieve in 6 months, what's their salary, and what's their credit card score. For example, these types of options that you can provide according to your business in the lead section as well. So more volume means like you need to add like 2 or 3 questions. In the higher intent means you need to add like 7 to 8 questions. The higher the questions, the lower the leads quantity, but the quantity will be highly relevant since you already put in lots of filters uh, in your high intent form. So in rich creative, you're gonna create a mixture of both more volume and higher intent, but rather more focusing towards higher intent. Beside social proof that you already have on your Trustpilot, on your Facebook page, on your Instagram, in terms of customer reviews, testimonials, and your company's bio and description as well. So we're gonna click on rich creative. Then after that, we're gonna select next. So over here, we can add uh, the headline of our company goal. So for example, I'm gonna put over here like get your insurance in next 30 days, right? So this is the headline that people gonna see at the top of the ad level when I create it. And over here, I can add a simple image. So for example, I'm gonna go over here. So I'm just gonna put a random image over here. So I'm just gonna click for the purpose of this video. I'm just gonna add a random image. For example, I add this picture over here. So I just want to show you how this gonna look. So I just added a random video, added a random headline as well. And in overview section, you can add your company's overview as well. We are in health and industry since for past 30 years and have 300 plus reviews on Trustpilot. So you need to make sure that your overview or your description should be under like 300 characters, right? So I'm gonna just cut it off and complete it over here. Then after that, you're gonna see four options which are most important over here, and you need to add, you can add like as many as you want, the more the better. So how it works, you can simply click on it, then it gonna provide you like steps, like the title, the description. Then after that, you're gonna, if you have multiple products, then you're gonna click on toggle on this option products, then you can add your products over here. Then if you have like social proof, this is the most important one, like social proof, right? Which I was talking about in the start of the video. So in the social proof section, you're gonna click on toggle on social proof. Then you're gonna click on reviews, aggregated by, certified by in the news. So the most important one and the works, which one which works best is the reviews. So you're gonna click on reviews. Then you're gonna click on add. Then after that, you're gonna add the images. The more the images, the better. You can add the images. You can reviewers names. For example, customer's name is like Jonathan. So you can add the name of customer Jonathan. What if they said like, so for example, they said like highly satisfied with their services, very quick and relevant. I got my insurance in the 20 days. Highly recommended. So you can add as many reviews as possible. So this will increase authenticity, credibility, and people will engage more with your brand. Then incentive section, you can motivate people to, uh, by giving them some sort of rewards, some sort of benefits and perks. Then will get motivated, and they're gonna be willing to submit their form. So this is the rich creative section, which is I believe like will play a very crucial role in your business if you fill this properly. If you put the relevant headline, the description, the questions, the benefits, the perks, and the social proof, and you're gonna get really highly relevant leads in a very few couple of days. And after that, you're gonna click on next. Over here, as we discussed in the high volume and high intent section, you can add as many questions as you want, but make sure that you do not add like 20, 30, or 40 questions. What this will do, this will, drag the conversation, and you will not be able to ask rest of the questions in the meeting when you have it with the client over call or over the Zoom or Google Meet session. So make sure that you only add like highly relevant questions just to qualify your buyer, right? You do not need to put like 10 to 20 questions. Rather, you just need to put like 5 to 6 questions which are highly relevant to identify your ideal customer profile. Then after that, they fill their form. Once you have their details, then you're gonna further nurture them through emails, calls, or whatever your preferred communication channel is. So over here, like we can add different source of contact on information what we're gonna collect from customer. So for example, there is like email, full name. Then I also want to get their phone number. Then I'm gonna click on phone number. And I also can want to get their country. Then I'm gonna select the country. Then I also want to get their demographic details. So for example, what's their gender. So you get the idea. You just need to add the relevant questions according to your business. Then voila, you are good to go. Then after that, you're gonna click on next. Then you need to over here you need to provide your company's privacy policy. Make sure that you do provide this link. If you do not provide this link, then Facebook will not allow you to publish your campaign. So you just simply need to go to your website. So for example, I go to this website, right? I go to this website, and at the bottom of at the footer of their section, I copy their privacy terms and conditions section. I copy it and I simply put it over here, and the link will be copied, and you can, name the text whatever you want to put for the sake of your understanding. Then after that, you're gonna click on next, and that's how your form will look. So headline will be like, thanks, you are set it all. You can visit the website for the next. Go to your website. So there are additional uh, settings that where you want to land your customer after they submitted their form. Then after that, you can send them to your website, send them a file, call business, call WhatsApp. So since we are just getting their leads, so we will only get that data in our. You can connect your CRM. You can connect your. Uh, you can get that data in your Excel file as well. So yeah, that's it. I hope you like this video. If you like the video, consider subscribing my YouTube channel. This really motivates me to keep making these highly valuable videos regarding like Google Ads and Facebook Ads. So yeah, Hope you like it. See you in the next video. Take care. Bye bye.